If you are watch a lot of videos on how to make money online and you are so overwhelmed and you don't know where to start, so you need to watch this video from beginning to the end, because in this video I'm going to be revealing all the legit ways that you can make money online. And all these things, those that I'm going to be showing you, is that everything is going to be like a generational wealth. You're not going to maybe get the money today and the next time you're looking for a client or so, it's going to be a generational wealth. So you need to watch the video from beginning to the end, because I was also watching videos like this and I was so overwhelmed and I don't know what to do. So all what I need is your attention. I need your attention so that we can all cook this together, because I also watch a lot of videos about how to make money online, how to make money in Ghana, how to make money in Nigeria. All these things, I've watched a lot of videos about that and I'm so tired about that, and I need to clarify you guys on the legit and the right way to make money online. So all what you need is you need to pay close attention, open your ears to 360 degrees and listen very well, so that you can get everything well. So the first rigid way that I'll tell you guys to make money online is by creating a YouTube channel. So you need to create a YouTube channel. So maybe if you want me to be covering more on how to make money online by creating a YouTube channel, maybe I'm going to be doing that later. You can just indicate in the comment section, and if there is a lot of people requesting for that, I'm going to be making tutorial about that. So by the way, I'm just going to be mentioning them out, and those that like making money on YouTube is that one is a generational wealth, because if you are able to create a YouTube channel and you are able to grow it and you already have an audience and you create an evergreen content, like videos that can last and people will still be like in need of it and they will continue to watch. So if you are creating that kind of content, you're going to be making a lot of money like in the long run, because you create it once and the video will be there and people will be watching and you're going to be making money out of that. So the second way to make money online or on YouTube is just by affiliate marketing. When you grow your audience and you can be having a partnership with other maybe companies and just put your affiliate links. Maybe they'll give you commission for any customer that you refer to their site or to their company. They are going to be giving you some commission on that. So when you grow your audience and you put affiliate links, some people are going to be buying the service and they are going to be paid through that. So the third way that to make money online is by creating an Instagram team page. So creating an Instagram team page is like maybe you are creating a team page or a page about a particular like niche. A niche like it can be like about dogs, about cats, about health, about beauty, everything related to that. And you put the links to each and every product that you talk about in the link or in your bio. Or you create a landing page and you just put the links of each and every product that you talk about, and when people watch the particular video and they are interested about that product, they will just click on the link and go to the site and buy the product, and you get commission out of that. And you can also create ebooks to sell it to them, teaching them how to train their dogs. And it doesn't matter, depending on the niche or how to stay fit. You can create an ebook teaching people how to do that, market it, and you're going to make money out of that. And more to the point, like you're going to be getting brand deals, and Instagram, you're going to be monitoring. You can also monetize your Instagram page, and you are going to be making some money out of that. So the third way to make money online is by creating a blog or writing a blog. A blog is like when you are searching for something online, you just go to Google and you search for maybe how to make money online, and the pages that will always pop up, and you just select a list or you just pick one of it and you read about it. That's a blog. People can put affiliate links about a particular site, and when you visit that site to do some tasks, they are going to be paid commission out of that. And through that particular site, they can also put ads and they'll be paid, like they will collect maybe some amount of money from people and put their ad on their platform. And for that one, immediately you visit the site, and the number of people that view depend on the number of maybe the amount that they are going to make. So if your site is able to get a lot of visitors, that one maybe you can be able to make a lot of money out of that. So, and if it is well organized, then you can also able to make money online. And the third way to make money online is by having a TikTok account. The same way you're going to do, like you can go TikTok live, you can be enter into TikTok creator program, And you can also like you can also do a lot of things. You can do affiliate marketing on TikTok. So you can be talking about a particular product and just put the links of that particular product in the description of the video or on your bio, and people are going to click on it, and maybe many people are going to buy, and you're going to make commissions out of that. So the third way to make money is by like having a Facebook page. When you reach 10,000 followers, you can monetize the page, and you are going to enjoy it because you can monetize the page, and people, they are going to be placing ad on your page, and you're going to be making one out of that. And you can still do sponsorships, and you can still do affiliate marketing on Facebook pages or Facebook profile. It doesn't matter. It depends on how you want it to be. But the best way to go is just having a Facebook page. And more to the point, almost all the apps that are social media apps, you can make money out of it. And many of it are just like doing that of affiliate marketing. Most of it, when you are good in affiliate marketing, that's the right way to go. And LinkedIn is also the same way. You can do affiliate marketing on LinkedIn, and you can sell product on it, and you're good to go. So all these are the legit ways to make money online. And be in mind that you're not going to achieve this within the shortest possible time. It can take you months, it can take you years before you'll be able to achieve that. But affiliate marketing, you can start today and still get a sale, because you can start it today, and maybe the first person that will visit your site or that will visit your page, maybe that person may be a buyer and will just buy from you, and you're going to make money out of that. So that's the power of affiliate marketing sometimes. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you want to be seeing content like this, make sure you smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and turn on post notification bell so that anytime that I upload a video, you get notified and come to the channel and check it out. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.